OTrack is a command that allows us to utilize our O-snaps in our drawing to be able to create new geometry from those without actually having to draw construction lines. First, let's begin by drawing a simple rectangle with an arbitrary length and width. Now, assuming that this is going to turn into a front view and now we need to make a side view of it and we don't actually know the dimensions, then we need to use O-tracking to create that side view from the dimensions that we've already done with the front view. So we need to go down to the status bar and make sure O-track and O-snap are turned on. Now let's start creating the side view. First, go up to the ribbon, select the line command, and then we hover over the end point. Not click, we hover to drag it across. That allows us to actually see the point being tracked, but we're not actually clicking on it to start the line there. Then we can still use our direct distance entry to put in the number 3 if we want it 3 units from our tracking point. Now we'll come straight down and we'll actually track the bottom corner across until it meets in the perpendicular. Again, using direct distance entry, we can put in our 1.5 width that we want our side view to be. Now we're wrapping back around with our side view, so we're just going to take the upper left corner, track it across, and then we can close the object. O-tracking is already really neat, but this is where it gets exciting. You can actually track up to 7 points at one time. So let's assume we actually want to put a hole through what this front view is representing. So we need a circle there, and we need to make sure it's right in the center. We'll start the circle command, and when asked for our center point, we'll track the midpoint of the top of the rectangle and the midpoint of the side of the rectangle until they meet, and then click for the center. Now, still using O-track, we can start the line command and actually trace what the side view of that hole, in theory, going through our side view would look like. So we can use the quadrant O-snap and trace that across